Hi guys! So we're back with another episode of unboxing. So today we have TO1's album. So in the back we actually have their signatures, but I think this is only intended for the press. So let's look into the album. So we have really this cool album with 9 members. Okay, and I see the goodies here, but we'll look into these later. So starting off, ooh, so we have individual pictures of each members. Nice. I really like their concept this time. Okay, so here are the individual photos of them. Okay, and then it continues with some duo pictures, trio pictures. I like it. Okay, more trio pictures. Oh, okay, and then in the back we have the information and lyrics of the songs. And then there's the credit. So this was the album. Now let's look into the goodies. So here we have the poster. Nice, and we have the signatures of them too. Cool. Okay, now we'll look into the goodies. Oh, it looks like there's a lot. Okay, so first we have the CD. Nice. It's kind of transparent. No, it's not transparent, but still, it's really cool. And then we have this card. Yay! The members are standing. Okay. Ooh, we have lots of stickers. So we have stickers of members' faces. Nice. I guess we can stick them on like papers, phones, stuff. Oh, and then we have their names. Nice. So these are the stickers. You can just put them on your phone or your laptop. Okay, now I have the photo cards. Ooh, so this is photo card of Kyungho. Nice. And then there's another one. Another Kyungho. Then last. Oh, this one, I think this one's like a bookmark. So we got all Kyungho, which is cool. So I guess this is it for TO1's new album, Why Not? So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.